neck, tuberosity, radial tuberosity, upper end, lower end. See the lower end front is smooth. See here, front is smooth. See the back, very rough with grooves. 4 tendons to pass for hand. This big one, tubercle of Lister. Shiva, please here. I'm here. Don't see on your bone. Please follow me here. Only then you will follow later on. Okay. Radius is on the lateral side.
Lateral.
So it must be here for me.
Yes.
The thing is head up. The radial tuberosity anterior and medial, mostly the sharp border medially, and this rough part on the back.
Okay.
So this is the direction of the bone when I have to hold it. Please.
Yeah, that helps. You go
Okay.
forth.
Please, Bakar. Okay. Agree?
Yes.
So now see the parts. What are the parts? Head. This is the superior surface of head. This is the neck. This is the radial tuberosity. This is the anterior border going to styloid process. This is the medial border going to this notch. And this notch is here for head of the ulna to make inferior radial joint.
مظبوط.
Good.
Good.
This is the posterior border. Again, head, neck. No, this is the upper part of the head. This is the circumferential part of the head, neck, radial tuberosity, sharp border, interosseous border, anterior border, posterior border. See here. And front anterior border, back posterior border. The sharp interosseous border or the medial border. Sharp the medial border. Sharp yani very
Hard.
Arabic.
okay. Yes, like that. Okay. The lower part, please. Here front, smooth. Here is the feeling of the pulse. Here. Okay.
Yes.
See, here is the notch on the medial end for inferior duodenal joint like this. See the inferior surface. One is triangular, musallas like. One rectangular. Scaphoid, lunate. Why? To make here. See, scaphoid, lunate to make wrist joint. Here is my scaphoid, here is lunate. Good?
Doctor, what about Lister? For what?
Tubercle of Lister, no much important. Only some ligaments. Forget it. Okay. Allah. How to find right or left?
The sharp is lateral.
Laterally.
Fight between the two.
Lateral.
It is the medial bone, but the border sharp is facing laterally. Number one. Number two, this whole setup.
Radial notch.
Olecranon, coronoid, trochlear notch in front, like this.
Yes.
And when you have to hold the two bones together, they have to be like this. See, head of the radius, here is a notch, radial notch on ulna, like this. Head of the ulna, ulnar notch on radius, so two radio-ulnar joint like this. Clear, Shiva?
Clear.
One border, another border. In between, interosseous membrane. Where? Here. All. Very sharp. Interosseous membrane. Why? See this muscle? See this muscle? If they need more space, most of them. So half of the muscle is rising from this part, half from here. So this is an extra power. And when you fall, the direction of fibers send the force of action from hand towards the sternum. I told you previously. Clear? Yes. Now I will do the muscles one by one. For radius first and then ulna. These muscles, remember, they are very important for you to reach the. Where's my pen? I lost something. Give me a pointed area for pen. To tell you the muscles. These muscles are important because the next class, the forearm, you must please read them or remember them. Brachialis. Coming from The upper arm.
The humerus.
Yes, coming from the humerus. Brachialis. Oh, no, sorry. The biceps. The radial tuberosity is the biceps. Sorry. Biceps, pronator teres. Now I'm going to talk like French. Okay. Biceps, pronator teres, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor pollicis longus. Pollicis for thumb. Okay. Biceps, pronator teres. One of the muscle is here from medial end of humerus, goes like from to the medial end of the humerus and insert like this flat blue. This is pronator teres. The name is pronator and the action is pronation. Okay, so here biceps, pronator teres, flexor digitorum superficialis for the digits, flexor pollicis longus for the thumb, flexor pronator quadratus. This muscle faces here, radius faces ulna here, insertion. So here, like this. If you keep the two bones together, how they look like? Pronator start, pronator end. From here to here, from here to here. How? When the action is there, it pronates the arm. So this is supination. From here, supination or supinator muscle is here. It will supinate the arm. This will pronate the arm. So supination and pronation movements. And these movements are not at elbow. These movements are at the superior and inferior radioulnar joints. Again, no problem. Again, 10 times I have no mushkil. Biceps, pronator teres, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor pollicis longus, pronator quadratus. This small is brachioradialis, a very bulky muscle you can feel here. Come and finish here. Here, brachioradialis, like this. Finish here. Just turn the bone here. This is supinator muscle. Supinator muscle. Turn more. Two more muscles on the back. They are either abductors or extensor. Abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis. Sorry for this French, but you have to remember. Again, biceps, pronator teres, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor pollicis longus, pronator quadratus, brachioradialis. Turn, supinator, oblique turn, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis. Abductor pollicis longus. Yani doing pollicis longus mean thumb. Pollicis mean thumb. Abductor. There are movements of the hand like this. Movements of the thumb is like this. Flexion,